Okay, chronograph results, Chinese 7.62x39, head stamp 81/71. This is from the SKS. Average 24-22. Extreme spread of 52 feet per second. Standard deviation of 13. And here are the 10 shots. Okay, let's have a look at the chronograph results from this Chinese 7.62x39, head stamp 81/71. This is out of the Ruger 77. Average 23-18. A high extreme spread of 109 feet per second. Standard deviation of about 32. And here are the 10 shots. Okay, here are a couple of groups with the Chinese 7.62x39. This is out of the Ruger 77 Mark II. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got another group of 5 over here fired at this square after adjusting the sights a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty big groups in both cases. And up above here we've got a group fired out of the Chinese SKS. And this is a 10-shot group. And once again, it's a pretty big group. So doesn't look like that ammo is what you'd call match grade, but it is surefire. So, you know, it is what it is. Wasn't expecting great accuracy, and well, we got what we expected, I guess.